So for my favorite shape, it does vary. I go through phases on what is my favorite shape this month or every 3 months. It seems to change. So right now, I am really liking a triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and draw it in the bottom right hand corner of my paper. There we go. Now let's look into transforming. So all I'm going to do is I tend to mentally look for ways to transform what I started with, which in this case, it's going to be this triangle. And you will see my hand moving as I'm trying to plan out what's going to look good until something clicks in my mind. So go ahead with your shape in the bottom right hand corner of your paper. See what you can come up with. Mentally brainstorm and look at your shape from all angles to see what you want to turn it into. So, right now, as I'm looking at it, I'm being drawn to a bird. You have the beak, the face, the body, start of the wings. But I am thinking I want to try to stay with straight lines. We're going to make this a geometrical art piece. And I'm trying to stick with triangles as much as possible. So, let me continue on and see what I come up with. Okay, so this is what I came up with when I limited myself to sticking as close as possible to only my triangles. This was my personal choice. You did not have to stick with the only shape that you picked in your corner like I did. It is completely up to you, but hopefully you have a good start to your drawing. Now, if you're ready, let's continue on to the next lecture.